In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Show Autofill Predictions on your web forms while using Google Chrome browser. And this you can enable it on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android. So if you're filling web forms or Google Forms using Google browser and you'd like to go ahead and show autofill predictions, then let me show you how you can enable it on your Google Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome browser and then go to search bar here on top, and under it, go ahead and type in Chrome and then choose this Chrome //flags and then enter, and you'll see we have quite a number of options that you can enable here. You will see this option called Show Autofill Predictions. If you go ahead and enable it, you'll have enabled annotation web forms with autofill fields predictions as placeholder text on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome, and Android smartphones or devices. So if you go ahead and click on this drop down arrow, you can see we have this option called enable, and then you'll have to go ahead and refresh your browser to be able to apply these changes. Once you relaunch your browser, now a new browser will open with these settings enabled. So that's how you do it on your Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.